Hello viewers, welcome to Simple Cooking and Travel Vlogs. In this video, I'm going to show you Dollarama shop. This shop is considered to be a cheapest store for buying household items based on our needs. This shop is found in almost all important cities of Canada. Today we are going to see the Dollarama shop, which is located in Mississauga, Ontario. Now we almost reached the shop. Okay friends, now we reached the shop. Let's take a quick look of the shop. The best part in this shop is it is budget friendly, well organized and maintained well. You can shop all products based on the department, whether it is for cleaning or kitchen, whatever. Now you are seeing the kitchen section. This video is taken on my recent visit to the shop, which is on April 2nd week. In Canada now, government has imposed lot of COVID restrictions on shopping as well. That is, you can shop only the essential items. You can't shop non-essential items. So that you can see a pink notice over there, like you can't shop all these non-essential items. Now in these clips, you can see how beautifully they have arranged all the sections. In this shop, all products price ranges between $1 and $4. If you are new to Canada and you want to set up your house at an affordable price, this shop will really help you. If you want to set up your new kitchen or new bathroom, you can get everything in this shop from A to Z. Unfortunately, due to COVID restrictions, we were not able to shop the non-essential items. In this video, I have shown almost all the departments in the shop. Please watch till the end. If you found this video helpful, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching friends.